In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Marketplace seller account. First, open Facebook and confirm your account is eligible to sell. You need to be at least 18, actively using your account, and in good standing with Facebook's policies. Marketplace also has to be available in your region. If you're unsure, a quick check is to look for the Marketplace icon. If it appears in your menu, you're set. Now access Marketplace. On desktop or mobile, tap the Marketplace tab. There isn't a separate seller account to create. Your existing Facebook profile becomes your seller profile. That means your presence and credibility matter. So take a minute to polish your profile. Use a real, recognizable photo, keep your name accurate, and update your bio and location. An active timeline with recent normal activity helps buyers feel confident reaching out. Let's create your first listing. Click Create New Listing and choose the type: item for sale, vehicle, or property. Add a clear title with keywords buyers actually search for, set a fair price, and write a concise, honest description that calls out brand, model, size, condition, and any defects. Upload bright, well-lit photos, or a short video that shows important angles. When you're happy, hit post to publish. Buyers will contact you through Messenger, so set up messaging before the inquiries start. Turn on notifications on your phone and desktop. Prepare a couple of quick replies like available, pickup location, or payment options so you can answer fast. Speed matters. Many buyers message multiple sellers at once. While posting, adjust your selling preferences. Decide if you'll ship, offer local delivery, or meet in person, and add your general location so listings reach the right audience. If you prefer privacy, you can toggle hide from friends. For meetups, choose a well-lit public place and confirm details in chat. From here, begin building your reputation. Reply promptly, describe items accurately, and deliver exactly what you promise. After a successful sale, kindly ask the buyer to leave a rating. To get more views, promote your listings. Share to relevant local buy and sell groups that allow marketplace posts, create a separate listing for each item, and renew or relist periodically to stay visible. When you're ready to scale, create a Facebook page for your shop. Use Boost Listing to reach more people with paid ads, and keep a simple list of happy customers for repeat offers. That's it. Your Facebook Marketplace seller setup is complete. Happy selling!